Hi guys, welcome back to MathVid. In this video, we will discuss few more things on exponents and wrap exponents part. Let us move to the first problem. 5 cube into 5 power x equals to 25. 5 cube into 5 power x equals to 25 is 5 square, which is 5 into 5. Now the bases are equal, so powers will get added. 5 power 3 plus x equal to 5 square, which implies since bases are equal, power should be also equal because of this equality sign. X becomes minus 1, which implies 5 cube into 5 power minus 1 equals to 5 square. 5 power 1 is 1 by 5 into 5 cube. 5 ones are 525s are. Second problem. 2 power x minus 4 equals to 1 by 128. 2 power x minus 4 equals to 1 by 128. 128, if we prime factorize it, it becomes in this way, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 128 is 2 power 7. So 2 power x minus 4 equals to 1 by 2 power 7, which is if we take if you bring it to numerator, it becomes 2 power minus 7. 2 power x minus 4 equals to 2 power minus 7. Bases are equal, so power should also be equal here. X minus 4 equals to minus 7. X equals to 4 minus 7, which is 3. X equals, sorry, not 3, minus 3. So if you substitute the same thing here, in the place of x, if we replace minus 3, we will get 2 power minus 7, which is 1 by 2 power 7, which is 1 by 128. So what we got is correct. Let us move to the third problem. 7 power 5 by 7 power x minus 4. 7 power 5 by 7 power x minus 4 equals to 7 power 15. See, now let us discuss a new property. A power m by a power n. When an exponent is in this form, we can write it as a power m minus n. So how did we get this? We know that a 1 by a power n equals to a power minus n. So it is 1 a power m by a power 1 in a power m into 1 by a power n, right? So 1 by a power n can be written as this. So a power m into a power minus n equals to a power m minus n. So in this way we got this. So let us use this and solve. 7 power 5 by 7x minus 4. So it is equals to this 7 power 5 minus x minus 4, which is 7 power 5 minus plus 4 minus x plus 4, which is 7 power 9 minus x. So 7 power 9 minus x equals to 7 power 15. Both bases are equal, so powers also need to be equal. If we solve for x, x equals to 9 minus 15, which is minus 6. X equals to minus 6. Thank you.